Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. In this video, we are going to discuss about one troubleshooting issue that is caused while searching for bills in search window. Sometimes, the data doesn't appear in search list. This could be due to corrupt database or improper close books done. Let's have a look at this issue in bill. Go to main menu and open sale bill window. Click on modify button and search bills. Here you can observe that the existing bills are not visible. Now let's move forward to its solution by following few easy steps. Firstly, go to main menu and expand utilities option. Open general utilities. It includes all the utilities provided by Logic ERP. Then, click on Update Zero Records for new fin year. A confirmation message will appear. Click on Yes. The utility is executed. So let's check the result. Go to Sale Bill window and modify the bill again and try searching the data. As you can see that the existing bills are now visible. In case the issue is still not fixed, then feel free to post ticket. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. For more software-related updates, hit the notification bell icon and subscribe to our channel.